Good morning students. Welcome to EVS class. Students, we have already discussed the chapter 3, which is plant life, parts of a plant. In this video, I am going to discuss about the exercises of chapter 3. Dear students, this is your holiday homework. So, don't be in a hurry. Take your time and write down the exercises. Okay, listen very carefully. Objective portion means exercises A, B, C and D you have to do in your book, and exercises E and F means question answer you have to write in your EVS notebook. Okay, so let's start. A. Tick the correct answer. Plants make their food in the dash. We know that leaves. Plants make their food in the leaves. 2. Some leaves which store extra food in them are mango, mint, banana, neem. It is mint. 3. We eat stems of dash. Cabbage, carrot, ginger, wheat. Ginger. We eat stem of ginger. Rice plant have dash. Taproot, storage root, aerial root, fibrous root. Rice plant have fibrous root. So D is the right answer. 5. Tiny pores on the surface of leaves are called dash. We know that tiny pores are called stomata. Surface means lower surface of the leaf. They are called stomata. Next, question B. Fill in the blanks. The part of a plant that contains the seed is called fruit. Fruit contains the seed. 2. Carrot and radish have dash root. We know that carrot and radish have tuberous root. So, tuberous is the right answer. Next, dash are the food factory of plant. Answer is leaves. Leaves are the food factory of plants. 4. Flowers develop into dash. Flower develops into fruits. Question number 5. Dash carry water to all parts of a leaf. Main vein. Answer is main vein. Main vein carry water to the all parts of a leaf. Next, question C. State true or false. 1. Tiny pores on the leaf are called stomata. It is correct. So, true. Number 2. The banyan tree has tuberous root. It is false because banyan tree has tap root under the soil and aerial root above the ground. 3. The stem carries prepared food from leaves. It is true because we know that the food that is prepared by leaves carried by stem to the root. Number 4. The flat broad part of a leaf is called the leaf blade. It is true. Leaf blade or lamina. We know that. 5. Seeds are most beautiful part of a plant. It is false because flowers are the most beautiful part of a plant. Question number D. Name the following. 2 seeds that we eat, pea, almond. 2 stems we eat, we know that ginger, potato, sugarcane is also. 2 flowers we eat, cauliflower, broccoli. 2 roots we eat, carrot, radish. 2 leaves we eat, mint, cabbage. So students, exercise A, B, C and D you have to write in your book, test book. Okay. Question number A and F are question answer. So you have to write in your EVS notebook. What is photosynthesis? The process of making food by leaves using carbon dioxide and water in the presence of sunlight and chlorophyll is called photosynthesis. Question 2. Draw a well-labeled diagram of a leaf. Draw this leaf and label them. This is main vein, this is side vein and this is leaf blade or lamina. Okay, draw it in the white page of your EVS notebook and write this diagram of a leaf. But don't use sketch pen or pen. Use only pencil. Question number 3. What does a seed require to grow into a seedling? A seed requires air, water and appropriate temperature to grow into a seedling. Now F. Give detailed answer to the following questions. 1. What are the functions of a root? Name the roots. Functions of root. We know the answer. Root fix the plant firmly to the ground. Root absorb water and minerals from the soil and pass them to the stem. Roots bind the soil and roots store food and we eat them. Example, carrot, radish, etc. Now next portion of the question is name the roots. Name means different types of roots. Different plants have different types of roots such as taproot, example neem, fibrous root, example wheat, tuberous root, example carrot, and aerial root, example banyan. Question number 2. In what ways are flowers useful to us? Give examples. Flowers are useful to us in the following ways. Flowers are used for decoration during festivals, functions. We use flowers to make garland, bouquet, rangoli, etc. Example, marigold, rose. Okay, next. Flowers of some plants are used as food. Example, cauliflower, broccoli. Next, few spices are obtained from flowers. Like clove, saffron, they are spices but they are obtained from flowers. Next, flowers are used to make perfumes. Rose, jasmine, this type of flowers are used to make perfumes. Question 3. How are stems useful to us? Stems are useful to us in the following ways. Stem provides support to the plant above the ground. The stem carries water and minerals absorbed by the roots to all the parts of the plant. Some stems store food which we eat. Example, potato, ginger, etc. So these are the exercises of this chapter. Write down them. Dear student, you have another homework and that is draw and label the parts of a plant. You have to do it on your own. Take help from your textbook, page number 18. Do it in the white page of your EVS notebook. But remember, before starting the chapter, please mention the name of the chapter. So that's all. We have completed the chapter 3. Enjoy your holiday. Enjoy your holiday to the fullest. Remember, eat healthy food, drink plenty of water, stay happy, stay safe, and study well. Thank you.